Finding the perfect basketball hoop may seem difficult because there are so many types of rims, backboards, and poles. Since you have to choose from such a wide range of options, you need to have a little background knowledge of the advantages and disadvantages of the different materials. If you are a beginner in this field, you have come to the right place. First, we have reviewed many different brands and shortlisted the top basketball hoops for 2023. We have also compiled a complete guide which will provide you all the information you need to decide on one. You can install these basketball hoops in your backyard if you purchase a wall mount or in-ground hoop. You can also get a portable one with wheels so that you can transport it from one place to another with ease. Other factors to consider are the height adjustment functions and the material of the net. You can also find smaller options if you want to acquaint your kids with basketball at an early age. So, whether you are a pro or a beginner, this guide will help you make the right decision. Number 1. Silverback in-ground basketball hoop. The Silverback basketball hoop is in-ground, which provides the performance of a gymnasium court. It provides anchor mounting, which means that it will not move from its place once installed. However, you can also easily unmount it and install in a different location without hassle. The rim is a pro-style breakaway, which is preferred by many people. The backboard is made from strong, tempered glass and the steel pole is powder-coated, which makes the entire structure extremely durable. Moreover, you can adjust the height between 7.5 and 10 feet. Also, the backboard is tinted, which will protect against sun glare. The company provides a 5-year warranty, so you can purchase one with confidence. Number 2. Best Choice Products Basketball Hoop. The Best Choice Products portable basketball hoop is designed specifically for kids. It is ideal for kids of all ages, because the height can be adjusted for different difficulty levels. The structure is constructed using heavy-duty steel along with a hard plastic backboard, which makes it very durable. Also, the nylon net is all-weather resistant, which means you can install it outside without having to worry about the weather conditions. The base is also sturdy and stable, and has a groove to hold your basketball when you are not playing. The two wheels not only make it portable, but also allow you to tilt it easily. The minimum height of the pole is 86 inches and it can be extended up to 97 inches. Number 3. Jenny Portable Basketball Hoop. The Jenny basketball hoop is another one designed specifically for kids. The backboard of this one is made from shatterproof polycarbonate, so it will not break easily. The net is made from all-weather resistant nylon, so that you can play in all seasons. The base can be filled with water or sand to make it extremely stable, and the built-in wheels allow you to transport it easily. This basketball hoop can be adjusted from 5.4 feet to 7 feet. This will be fit for boys and girls of different age ranges to practice their game. The weighted mobile base 29 inches x 22 fills with water or sand, ensuring standing and stability as you practice your shots. And the two built-in wheels provides the convenience while transportation and moving. Moreover, you can alternate between indoor and outdoor play according to the weather conditions. The pole is also resistant to harsh weather conditions, and you can also use the hoop for poolside play. The height is adjustable between 5.4 and 7 feet, which is ideal for children of all ages. Number 4. Lifetime 90,040 Adjustable Basketball Hoop. Many high-quality, durable portable basketball systems come with a high price tag, but there are still deals to be found. A trusted, reliable manufacturer of portable hoops, Lifetime offers this budget-friendly option that we recommend for driveway play. It features a durable 44-inch backboard made from high-density polyethylene that's resistant to fading, chipping, and cracking, although it may be too small for some. Fun for the entire family, the system has a telescoping pole that adjusts the rim height from 7.5 feet to 10.5 feet in 6-inch increments, no tools required. The 27-gallon base fills with water or sand for a stable foundation, yet it's still easy to move to a different spot when necessary. A solid, well-supported steel rim and a weather-resistant nylon net add to the hoop's durability. Number 5. Lifetime 1269 Basketball Hoop. The Lifetime 1269 basketball hoop is our top pick because it is lightweight, portable, and the pole height is adjustable. You can adjust the height between 7.5 to 10 feet. This makes it ideal for both kids and adults. The pole is made of steel and is ideal for all weather conditions, so you can place it outdoors. The backboard is made from shatterproof polycarbonate, and is 44 inches wide, so make sure you have enough space for it. The 3PC round steel pole is protected with a powder-coated, weather-resistant finish. The system is supported by a heavy-duty portable base. Just fill with sand or water and play. The best part is that it is easy to assemble. It comes with a nice manufacturer instructions to do so. All you need to do is find a suitable place to install it. Overall, the mechanism is durable, and it will last you many years.